Hey, I'm selling my 81 BMW 320i. I think I could safely say this is one of the top condition 320i's in the USA right now. This car was repainted in '98 according to the full history I have on it. Very professional job. All the rubber was removed. There's no overspray I could detect anywhere. Clear coated, original Cosmos blue. You can see how gorgeous the bright trim is on the car. Take a look inside. Door panels, perfect. Normally the cracked map pockets have been replaced. Beautiful dash. This car has about 63,000 miles on it, original miles. No cracks on the dash. Beautiful upholstery. There's no wear, but very minimal on the driver passenger seats. Back seat, very nice also.